Do you want to know how you can enable WhatsApp notification on lock screen on your Samsung device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the WhatsApp notification to come on your lock screen on any Samsung device. Go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Tap on it, go to its settings, and go to notifications. After you go to notifications, you can see lock screen. If you tap on it, you can see that it is not allowed, and if you click on it again, it will be allowed. So if all of the notification of WhatsApp is turned off, go ahead and enable it, and if this is turned off, go ahead and click on it. It is called lock screen, and if you click on it, you can see that it is allowed and you will get the notification on your lock screen. So the next thing you can do is go to settings and go to lock screen. Go to lock screen and you can see over here something called screen lock type extended unlock. You can go ahead and check it, and then you can enable WhatsApp notification on your lock screen in your Samsung device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.